Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8B. Today we're gonna do presentation about what is benefit cost analysis and one of the criteria which is net present value. Okay, first, what is actually BCA? Benefit cost analysis is a process that project manager and business executive use to determine the expenses and incentive of major company project. When companies perform a cost-benefit analysis, they calculate the cost and benefit for the project or decision and determine which calculation is larger. If the benefit exceeds the cost, the project or decision is generally a positive one for the company to make. However, if the cost exceeds the benefit, the company often evaluate that project plan and determine if there is a way to adjust it or save money.
Now I will explain what is net present value, which is NPV. NPV in economics is a method used to evaluate the profitability of an investment or projects. The calculates for NPV is cash inflows minus cash outflows. For example, the rundown house is priced at $50,000, requiring an additional investment of $50,000, resulting in a total cost of $100,000. So the market value subtracted from the total cost equals $50,000.
Now, let's organize this cash flow into a formula. The term CFT is the expected net cash flow at time T. N is the projected life of the investment and R is the discount rate, also known as the opportunity cost of capital. As you can see from the formula, calculating the NPV of an investment goes through a process which consists of 4 steps.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Sarah binti Fauzi, number matric S63563. As you can see from the formula, calculating the NPV from an investment goes through a process which consists of 4 steps. First, we need to identify all the inflows and outflows related to investment. Then we must choose an appropriate discount rate, which then allows us to obtain the present value of the cash flow. Third, we use the discount rate to find the present value of the cash flow. Inflow are positive and increase NPV, while outflow are negative and it decrease NPV. In the end, we sum all these cash flow and find the net present value of the investment. Once we complete off each of 4 steps and come out with final NPV figure, we can decide whether an investment is worth taking.
Next, taking the rule is as follows: an investment should be accepted if the net present value is positive and rejected when it is negative. In other words, if NPV is higher than 0, we invest in the project. If NPV is lower than 0, we do not invest on the project. What is the rationale behind this rule? So we go for the next person.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Anisha Irwaya binti Cik Mustafa, matric number S62267. What is the rationale behind this rule? When we calculate NPV of a project, we use opportunity cost of capital as the discount rate. As we saw earlier, the opportunity cost is the alternative return investors forgo when they undertake an investment. When NPV is positive, the investment adds value because it compensates for more than the opportunity cost of capital. That's why a company undertaking a positive NPV project creates value. The opposite is also valid, accepting investment that have a negative NPV destroyed well. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.